This wig is really cute. I really like it. It's like voluminous. It's voluminous. I don't know. Voluminous. It's voluminous. Voluminous. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Erica, also known as Spiritual Stylist on YouTube. I'm back with another hair review. You guys enjoyed my last one, apparently. Besides 2 people that disliked it, but that's okay. I'm happy. I mean, feedback, you know, I really appreciate constructive criticism. So if you don't like something, leave a comment. If you like something, leave a comment. But please be gentle with my heart. Anyways, so today we did this wig review on this wig, Donatella. This is the sleek lay part wig. If you would like to see how I installed this wig, more information about this wig, and how I got it to look like this, please keep watching. We're going to be doing a wig by Outre. I already took the wig out of the box. So this is the wig out of the box. It is a curly unit. It's going to be super cute. I cannot wait to try it. This is what the ends are looking like. Honestly, outside of camera, it doesn't look like a synthetic wig until you get closer to the ends. At the ends, you can kind of tell, like, okay, yeah, she's synthetic. But this wig is an HG transparent wig. It is a flat lace finish, and this is Donatella. Her name is Donatella. This is what she is supposed to look like. Zoom it in closer for you guys. So yeah, this is what she's supposed to look like. This is in the shade 1B. We're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to do just a little bit of customization onto this wig. I'm going to pluck her a little bit, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So first things first, I typically just like to analyze the wig to see how I want to pluck it. And that's pretty much what I'm doing here. I'm just going back and forth with my rat tail comb. I think that's what it is. And then I just clip my hair because I find this to be a little bit easier, especially when plucking, because the hair is tighter so you can have more grip. And I just go straight into plucking. It looks like I'm going fast, but I'm really not. I'm actually taking my time. This process is very tedious, so go ahead and put something on, some music or something, and just pluck. If you watch any type of hair videos or anything like that, you know not to stay in one spot. But if you don't, let me tell you, please do not stay in one spot or you will have bald spots. Move around the wig, move around the circumference of the wig. Just don't stay in one spot, whatever you do. This is the final results of what I got with the plucking. I know it doesn't look like much, but it makes a huge difference on. Alright guys, so I have my wig cap on, and I'm going to go ahead and take the wig now. This is pretty much what I did in regards to plucking. I didn't pluck a lot. The wig is already pre-plucked, as you can see. And since it's a synthetic, it doesn't have a lot of plucking space, obviously. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and take her off. And I want to see what she's looking like without adding any like foundation and stuff to it yet. I do have a little bit of foundation on my wig cap. This is just one of the wig caps that I use whenever I do wear synthetic wigs. It already has foundation on it. So for this synthetic wig, the lace is supposed to be HG, but I mean it's a synthetic. It does come with an elastic band, which I love, and it has one big giant clip in the back and then 2 small clips on the side, and it also has the adjustable strands. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty foundation, and I'm just going to apply just very little onto my cap because there is already some on there, but I'm just going to apply some on this side too as well, around the perimeter of my head. And then I'm going to go into my L'Oreal foundation, and I'm just going to, this is a little bit darker, just a little bit darker than my actual face foundation. And I'm just going to apply it directly onto the lace. And I'm going to apply it on the outside of the lace too. I'm pretty much just applying this all over the lace where I see the hairline. And it's okay if you get it on the hair. It's gonna come off whenever we start to style the hair. And then you can also just take a little bit of an alcohol wipe onto the lace of the hair to just get the makeup off the hair. So this is what we have so far. So now we can kind of see the construction of the wig. And as you can see, the dark color is blending in really, really well in regards to making the lace look as natural as possible. I'm just going to add a little bit more to around the ear tabs. I'm going to go ahead and spray this wig, or I'm going to apply some Got2b glue onto where the lace is. I'm using Got2b glue today because obviously it's a synthetic wig. It's not real hair. I'm going to take it off at the end of the night. I'm going to take this sculpting tool. This is actually for makeup, but it's to mix makeup. But I'm going to use it for my hair today. I actually haven't used it. And I'm going to apply that around the circumference of my hair. And with the Got2b glue, I typically, sometimes I blow dry it, but a lot of times I like to just let it air dry. Especially if I know that I'm just gonna wear it for maybe 24 hours and then take it off at night. I'm gonna make sure I get my ear tabs, or get around my ear so that my ear tabs stay really well. I'm just gonna let this air dry for about 5 minutes. Okay, so now that that's dried for about 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this wig up. It's not dry, but it's tacky. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take some Got2b glue, freeze spray, and I'm just going to spray along the circumference of my head. I'm just going to take my comb and press that in. I'm going to go ahead and let this elastic band sit on my head for about 10 to 15 minutes and I'll be right back. Let's go ahead and cut this lace. Now that it is glued down nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and cut tabs into this lace. I could have brought this lace down actually a little bit further because my forehead is freaking huge. And I'm making sure that I don't cut straight across. So I'm just going to go ahead and take some alcohol and wipe around the circumference of the wig so that you can't see any of the glue or the foundation. So this is what we've come up with thus far. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of concealer. Okay, so I just put on some jewelry just to kind of see what it's giving with full dolled up, full face. This wig is really cute. I like the curl pattern. The only thing about this wig is that it's not something that you can comb, obviously, because it's a curly wig. So once it starts looking, you know, poofy like how it did, I kind of just pushed the poof in the back to give it a little bit more volume. And then I brought like the curls back up to the front, like how it just did there. So I just went in with some Got2b glue and I laid my baby hairs. This took me about 25 forever. Baby hairs can typically take a long time, so just have patience with them. In retrospect, I should have cut the lace a little bit more at the top. Don't drag me in the comments, okay? I know. Watching back the video, I cringed. But in person, the wig, I promise you, you could barely see the lace. Okay, so pros and cons about this hair. Obviously, it's a synthetic wig, so you know it's not gonna really hold the curl for too long. It's not gonna hold a curl. But the curls are really pretty. The curl pattern is really pretty, and it even looks pretty when it gets poofy, like poofed out like this. I did cut the wig. The front of the hair is a little bit poofy because I tried to add a little bit of layers to it versus what the back of the hair is looking like. I'm gonna show you. So this is how long it is. This is what it's looking like in the back. And mind you, I am 4'11" and a half, so your girl is pretty short. So it is long on me. I would give this wig a, straight off the box, first day, I would give this wig a 8 out of 10. I love how it laid. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this wig and if you plan on buying it. But that's all the details on this wig, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one.